was 1 minus 1 by x square, and then we found y double dash, which was 2 upon x cubed, right? And then for minima, what we did was 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 0. So x was coming out to be plus minus 1. But the thing to note here is that the value where this y double dash, uh, 2 upon minus 1 cube is negative, minus 2 is negative. So this is the local maxima. And at 1, when it was greater than 0, we had local minima. But what is asked here? Here it is not asked local minima. In the question it is asked that we have to find the minimum value of the sum. So the minimum value of the sum will come at not at 1. The minimum value of sum will come at minus 1 plus 1 of minus 1. So the correct answer here is minus 1. Is there any doubt? Everybody understood this difference between local minima and global? Okay. Okay, great. Everybody understood that. Now, this is the question. If A, B, C element of R and A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation 3ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 has, you have 4 options and you have to tell me the correct one. Yes, Kritika, your answer is correct. Okay, so should we discuss the solution now? So the correct answer here is option A. Let's discuss why it is A. Now, if I suppose that the given equation is f dash x, means it is a differentiation of some equation, some expression. So f dash x is 3ax square plus bx plus 2bx plus c. Now if f dash x is 3ax square plus 2bx plus c, then what will be fx? Fx will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now let's check its value at 0, 1. Why 0, 1? Because in first option 0, 1 is given. Okay, so let's check its value 0, 1. So f0 will be a into 0 plus b into 0, c into 0 plus d. So f0 is coming out to be d. Now what is f1? f1 is a plus b plus c into 1, which is c, plus d. Now what else is given in the question? It is given in the question that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So this is 0. So f1 is also d. Now f0 is equal to f1 is equal to d. So we can apply Rowley's theorem here. In the interval of 0 to 1. And as Rowley's theorem is applicable here, so hence f dash c equal to 0 for at least one c between 0 and 1. And what was f dash c? F dash c was 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. So it is 0 for one value between 0 and 1 for at least one value c. So the correct option here is A. So this equation 3ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 has at least one root in 0, 1 by the application of Rowley's theorem here. So everybody understood this solution? Okay, so let's move on to the next question then. This is the question, a very interesting one. A triangular park is enclosed on two sides by a fence and on the third side by a straight river bank. Two sides having fence are of same length x. The maximum area enclosed by the park is. You have 2 minutes to solve this question. What's the answer, guys, for this question? A very easy question this is. So should we discuss the solution now, or you want 1 more minute? Okay, so let's discuss the solution. So what is given in the question? It is a triangular park. Two sides, there are fence of length x, and at one side is a river bank. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to maximize the area. We have to find the maximum area enclosed by the park. Okay, but to find that maximum area, you must be aware of this area formula of triangle. Area can be written as half into x square into sine theta. So when a triangle is given and its sides are these A, B, C, and the theta is the angle between BC, then what we can write its area? Its area can be written as half BC sine theta. So B and C are the length of the sides, and theta is the angle included, angle between the two sides we are considering in the formula. So likewise, area for this will be half into x square into sine theta. Now just by looking at this, I can directly say that sine theta की जो maximum value होती है, maximum value of sine theta is 1. So the maximum area possible here is half into x square into 1, which is x square by 2. So the correct option here is A. Now we can also go by the derivative method, that is A was given half x square sine theta. Okay. So now if I find dA by d theta, that would be half x square cos theta equal to 0. So theta is 90 degree, and A here is half x square into sine 90, which is half x square. Is this question clear to all of you? The only trick involved here was this area, formula of area. Is Is this question clear? Okay, so let's move on to the next question then. This is the question. The triangle formed by the tangent to the curve fx equal to x square plus bx minus b at the point 1 comma 1 and the coordinate axis lies in the first quadrant. If its area is 2, then the value of b is. So you have to find the value of b.
Will it form any triangle because the slope is positive? Oh yeah, it will
Okay.
then. Yeah, it will.
The slope is dependent on b, I think. Tell me the answer, guys. Okay, so should we discuss the solution? Okay, 1 minute more. Kritika, the sign is wrong. Your answer is partially correct. Like, okay, so let's discuss the solution now. The triangle is formed by the tangent to the curve. So the tangent to the curve is like this and with the coordinate axis. So first let's find out the tangent, and the one who asked that the slope is positive or negative, the slope is dependent on b. तो जो भी हमारी b की वैल्यू आएगी उससे पता चल जाएगा हमें, and your doubt will be clear. So the tangent to the curve will be found by differentiating this equation. So x square plus bx minus b is the equation. We have to find dy by dx. It is 2x plus b. Now the point is given at 1 comma 1. So the slope here is 2 plus b. Okay. Now we know the point, we know the slope. So by the point slope form, we can write the equation of the line. So y minus y1 equal to 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now what? I have to find the area of this triangle. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये height हो गई, ये base हो गया. If I get these coordinates, then I can find the area of this triangle by doing half into base into height. Now to find the x coordinate, what I'll do is I'll put y equal to 0. So I get 0 minus 1 equal to 2 plus b into x minus 1. This is minus 1 upon 2 plus b plus 1 equal to x. So we got x is minus 1 plus 2 plus b upon 2 plus b equal to x. So what is x here? X is b plus 1 upon b plus 2. So we got b plus 1 upon b plus 2, comma 0. Now यदि ये y coordinate इसका मिल जाए तो what I'll apply the formula of half into base into height and I'll get the area of the triangle. So in this equation I'll put x equal to 0 to get the y coordinate. So y minus 1 equal to 2 plus b into 0 minus 1. So y comes out to be minus 2 minus b plus 1. So y is minus b minus 1. So now the area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So it is half into b plus 1 upon b plus 2 into minus b minus 1. So this is minus half b plus 1 whole square upon b plus 2. Now, is the area given in the question? Yes, the area is given 2. So, we'll equate the area with 2. So, 2 equal to minus half b plus 1 whole square upon b plus 2. So, b plus 1 whole square upon b plus 2 equal to minus 4. I'll open the bracket. What I'll get is b square plus 1 plus 2b equal to minus 4b minus 8. So this is b square plus 6b plus 9 equal to 0. Now here it is visible that this is b plus 3 ka square. So if b plus 3 ka square equal to 0, that means b equal to minus 3. So now what was the slope coming? Slope was coming 2 plus 3. अब 2 minus 3 कितना हो गया? नेगेटिव. तो ये जो हमने अज्यूम किया था कि वो कट कर रहा है, ये हमारा प्रूव हो गया यहाँ से. Because slope is coming negative as b is minus 3 here. So the correct option is C, minus 3. So the solution is clear to everyone. Okay, so let's move on to the next question then. This is the question. It is given for the function fx equal to x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b on 1 comma 3. Rowley's theorem holds with c equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. You have to find the values of a and b, and also one more thing is given that f1 equals to f3 equal to 0. So should we discuss the solution now? Yes, Kritika, it is D, and yes, I'll brief you about Rolle's theorem. Okay. It's not B, it's D here. B is in more general sense, and B satisfies the question, the conditions given in the question. Okay. Okay, so first, let me explain in brief about Rolle's theorem. If the function f is continuous in closed interval a to b, it is differentiable in open interval a to b. These are the conditions. And the third condition is if fa equals to fb. If these three conditions are true, then there exists at least one value of x x, or we can say c. Okay, let it be x, value of x, where between a and b, between a and b, where f dash x is equal to 0. So if f dash x is equal to 0 at c, so c is between a and b. So this is Rolle's theorem. If the function f is continuous in closed interval ab, it is differentiable in open interval ab, and fa equals to fb, then there exists at least one value of x where f dash x equal to 0, and that value of x is necessarily between a to b. Okay, so now in this question, it was given that fx satisfies Rolle's theorem in the interval 1 to 3. So this means that f1 equal to f3 from here. So fx was x cubed minus 6x squared plus ax plus b. Now f1 is equal to f3 as Rolle's theorem is applicable here. So 1 minus 6 into 1 plus a into 1 plus b equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus a into 3 plus b. This b gets cancelled, and what we are left with is minus 5 plus a equal to 27 minus 6 nines are 54 plus 3x. So what we get is 2a equals to minus 54 plus 27 is minus 27. Minus 27 here becomes plus 27 minus 5. So this is 22 equals to 2a. So So A comes out to be 11. Now what more is given in the question? It is given in the question that F1 equals to F3 equal to 0. So let's take F1 equal to 0. So now let's put 1. So it is Fx is x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b. If I put x equal to 1, what I get is f1 equal to 0. So 1 minus 6 into 1 plus a की वैल्यू हमें पता चल गई है plus b equal to 0. So minus 5 plus 11 plus b equal to 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6 plus b equal to 0. So b equal to minus 6. So here a equal to 11, okay, right? But b is not every element of R. This is in general sense. So the correct option here is B, more specific. A equals to 11 and B equal to minus 6. So is the solution and Rolle's theorem clear to everyone? Or are there any doubts? Okay, great. So let's move on to the next question for today. This is the question. A curve is represented by the
Ma'am,
equation. Yes.
do you have a question that was like the one about the park, the area and thing?
The one about what?
The park.
Park.
Yeah, the area X wala.
Acha, that question we discussed half x square wala.
We discussed that one. Do you have another question, something like that? Because we haven't practiced many questions like that in class.
Okay, so this question is also like that. In this slide, I don't have any area questions, but
Okay, fine. It's okay.
okay, so try this question. Actually, in that area question, the only key factor was that area. Sometimes we get confused for that area formula. बस उसको याद रख लो कि the area is half into x square sin theta. That's just one more method of getting the area. That was a very typical question. So no need to worry. We discussed that. That's okay. So this is the question. The motion of a particle along a straight line is described by equation x equal to 8 plus 12t minus t cube, where x is in meter and t in second. The retardation of the particle when its velocity becomes 0. Yes, great. It is B. A very easy question this is. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? For velocity we know that it is dx by dt. So we'll simply write 0 plus 12 minus 3t square. Okay. Now for retardation, that is d2x by dt square. So it is minus 60. Now when its velocity becomes 0, what is the time? We'll find from here. So 0 equal to 12 minus 3t square. So t square becomes 4, t equal to 2 seconds. So A is minus 6 into 2 minus 12 meter per second square. So this minus sign denotes the retardation. The correct answer here is B. Okay. So I hope everybody understood this solution. Do you have any doubts? Okay. So this was all for today's class. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.